The best way to propel your career and your incomes forward is to learn a high-income skill and find employers or clients to pay you for it. You can even pivot this into launching a business in the future. It all starts with choosing the right skill though. So, in this video, we'll cover 7 examples of good high-income skills to learn. Then, we'll see how to quickly develop and learn these skills. So, watch this video till the end because we'll also give you some tips and strategies to help you make more money in your career. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fascinating Self. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Video editing. More and more brands or companies are using video content in their social media, advertising, and more. More brands are starting and growing YouTube channels too. So, there's a high demand for skilled video editors, and these positions may not even require a college degree. You can perform this skill as a freelancer or find a full-time video editing role for a single company, both of which can earn you a high income and get you to a 6-figure salary over time. So, if you have any type of background or interest in video editing, graphic design, or related fields, then this is a good high-demand skill to look into learning or further developing. And since it's a relatively new field where the demand has risen so quickly, you're unlikely to be limited by lack of a bachelor's degree if you don't have one. The average salary for a video editor varies widely depending on the industry. But if you specialize in a certain niche and become excellent at the job, you can earn a great income. If you're more interested in audio than video or have specialized skills in that area already, you can also look into working in audio production. As podcasts and other forms of audio content become more popular, companies will need more help in this area. These are both high-income skills that can earn you great pay without a degree. Most employers, whether you're doing this as a side hustle or full-time, will simply want to know you have the skills and background to help their business rather than looking for a degree. Number 2. Paid advertising. Paid advertising is a unique skill sought after by retail companies and businesses looking to advertise their products or services. This high-income skill often involves a specific advertising channel called PPC or pay-per-click. With this advertising model, businesses pay a fee each time internet users click on an ad. It can be a successful form of marketing that provides a more direct connection than alternatives like SEO, and it requires great skill to do well. Businesses often hire PPC specialists who can design and execute campaigns successfully. The job involves many subjects, including copywriting, graphic design, and conversion optimization. When all the pieces fall into place, you have a captivating advertisement that attracts attention and encourages action. There's also an art to managing campaigns to get the most bang for your buck, because you need to run ads that convert or else the company loses money. Understanding the complexities of paid advertising can make your resume stand out. It also opens more doors for freelance jobs or starting your own paid advertising business. Number 3. Software engineering. Some employers require a 4-year degree to work as a software engineer. However, many don't, and even top employers like Google and Apple have done away with the requirement for a degree. So it's possible to learn this skill without a formal university degree, usually through online or in-person coding boot camps, which typically take around 12 weeks to complete. Overall, software development is one of the best high-income skills to learn because of the high demand for this type of work. More of the world's businesses and systems are being run on software. More transactions and purchases are happening online each year. And more people are using apps, online tools, and electronic devices in virtually every aspect of their lives. They even make doorbells now with integrated cameras that send video to your smartphone when someone's at your door. You need web development skills to do this. If you decide to go the freelance software development route, you could charge upwards of $100 to $150 per hour with certain programming languages and skill sets. Number 4. Sales. If you don't want to learn to write code, no problem. Sales is another one of the highest income jobs in the world and doesn't require any type of technical background or specific degree. So, while many companies will want a 4-year degree of some type, you don't need any specific educational background to get into sales. Some companies may not even require a degree at all. Also, there are different types of roles within sales. There are people who close deals, known as closers, but there are also people who reach out to potential customers initially and try to set up that appointment with a closer. These are often called appointment setters. If you decide to try to find a job in sales, we recommend looking for B2B sales so that the commissions are higher. The best employers also pay a base salary in this space, so don't feel pressure to take a commission-only job. You can expect a base salary of around $50,000 to $65,000 for high-quality B2B sales positions. And if you're interested in entrepreneurship in the longer term, sales is one of the best skills you can build for yourself too. Number 5. UX design. UX stands for user experience and revolves around the front-end design of websites, apps, and other customer-facing platforms. What users see and how they navigate a website or app can make all the difference. A poor user experience is a huge turnoff for modern consumers. As a result, companies are looking to fine-tune every minute detail to increase sales, revenue, and engagement. That's where a UX design professional comes in. As a UX designer, you use qualitative and quantitative research to develop an enjoyable digital front-end experience. It's not just about design. UX involves navigation, emotional responses, overall user friendliness, and much more. Mastering UX design can do a lot to pad your resume. This skill is in high demand and shows no signs of slowing down. Number 6. Copywriting. You might not have heard of this skill before, but it's a vital part of marketing and advertising. To put it simply, copywriting is a specialized form of writing. The goal is to inform potential customers and encourage them to take a specific action. That could be to fill out a form, make a purchase, or even just click on a link. Whatever the case may be, copywriters must use their way with words to guide prospects in the right direction. The fact that good copywriting can have such a large impact on the bottom line of a business makes this a profitable and high-income skill to learn. There are many routes to take with copywriters. Some will work with marketing agencies, others prefer to freelance, while others will operate in-house within a single company's marketing or advertising department. Like SEO, copywriting comes with plenty of freedom to work on your terms and earn a high salary. Number 7. Social media marketing. There's no denying that social media reigns supreme in today's market. Gone are the days of platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram being nothing more than time wasters. These days, those platforms are money-making machines. More than half of the world's population is active on at least one social media platform. It's easier than ever to reach a broad audience. Who would have known that being good at social media could get you so far? Ask any successful influencer and they'll tell you that there are plenty of opportunities to grasp in the social media sphere. Businesses often hire dedicated social media managers to handle these accounts, with many offering very high pay. Responsibilities include creating posts that stay true to the brand, interacting with consumers, networking, and more. It's a taller order than most realize. Because social media managers represent the company as a whole, they take great care in choosing the most qualified person they can. If you have the necessary skills, it can be quite profitable. Now that you've seen some examples of high-income skills, you may be wondering, how do you develop these high-income skills? Well, there are a couple of ways you can learn and develop a high-income skill like those we mentioned. You can use YouTube and other free resources. There are YouTubes dedicated to everything from software engineering to video editing to sales skills. While not everyone sharing information on the platform is an expert worth trusting, many are. You can find great content on YouTube that's 100% free if you spend enough time looking. Just do your research and find 2 to 3 great people to follow. You don't need more than that. After consuming a lot of free content, you may decide to invest in one of these content creators' paid courses if they offer one. There's a lot of free information on the web and some of it is quite good. But at a certain point, you may feel that you need to invest in a paid course in order to take your skills to the next level. We recommend getting familiar with the free content of a few experts in your field and investing in a paid course only after you've found someone whose teaching style you like. But if you do enjoy someone's free content and they have a paid course that looks like it teaches what you're trying to learn, this can be a great investment and can help you build your high-income skill much faster. Time is money, so if you spend $400 on a course, but it gets you to the point where you can make money with your skills faster, then it may be worth it. Now folks, this is the end of the video. Let us know in the comments if you want us to make more videos like this. Don't forget to like and share this video if you like it. See you in the next video.